Hey everyone! Welcome back. Ever found yourself in an unfamiliar place, unsure which way to go? Well, Google Maps has a built-in compass feature that can help you stay on track. And today, I'll show you exactly how to use it. First, open the Google Maps app on your device. Once the map loads, you might notice that it isn't tracking your movements just yet. To activate the compass, look for the location icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on it. After tapping, you should see a small compass appear below the location icon. This means the feature is now active. Now, here's the fun part. Try rotating your phone in different directions. You'll notice that the map follows your movements in real time, helping you stay oriented no matter where you are. This is especially useful when navigating unfamiliar streets, hiking trails, or even just making sure you're heading the right way in a new city. Plus, you can use the compass to align yourself with surrounding landmarks, making your navigation smoother and more intuitive. And that's it. You now know how to use the compass in Google Maps to enhance your navigation experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more mapping tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.